boyfriend is here. And he went to Jared.
He went to Jared. He went to Jared.
Is Katie here? Hi.
Hi.
Hello.
Jared has 5 times the selection of ordinary jewelry stores. From classic to contemporary, Jared simply offers more distinctive gold jewelry.
Surprise.
Gold makes the moment spectacular.
He went to Jared.
Jared, the Galleria of Jewelry.
Nissan asks, what's your resolution?
Is that candy good? Is that the sour kind? Where are you going? Hey Lee.
Get to your Nissan dealer now. And resolve to save.
Rise and shine with news.
Haley, come here.
NBC5 gives it to you straight. More local news stories, more weather and traffic, and better than anyone else. More of what you need, and we can back it up. Get the day started with information you can actually use. NBC5 today.
Searching for a new job in the new year? Beware, we've discovered the 3 words.
Haley, come here. Where you at?
Your chances of landing a new gig. Researchers at
Don't run with that candy in your mouth.
Southern Methodist University say employers are currently
Where you going?
like experts say the words indicate you might not
I'm babysitting Daddy.
hold a serious job.
You doing what?
Say those words.
I'm babysitting Daddy.
Oh.
Folks, in other things, the crossword puzzles, people are always looking for ways to keep their brains in.
Hey, watch this.
Ow, what are you doing?